Number 50. Dilip and Ravi started together from their complete reasoning or arithmetic? Arithmetic anukunda. Sir, no. Arithmetic or reasoning? Dilip and Ravi started together from their school in opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. The speed of Dilip is 60 km per hour and the Ravi is 44 km per hour. What will be the distance between them after 15 minutes? Sir? Opposite direction, relative speed means sum of the speeds. Sir? One is 60, another one 44. What is the sum of the speeds? 104. But how much time are in between? 15 minutes. Then we return 15 by 60 or not? Speed into time. Distance or not? 15 how many times? 4 times. 4 how many times? 26 or not? What is the answer? 26 kilometers or not? Question number 51. The sum of the ages of Ravi and Aditi was 13 by 7 times of difference of their ages. 4 years ago, the ratio of their ages is 8:1. What is the ratio of their ages after 4 years or not? First of all, 4 years back, what was the ratio? 8:1 or not? Yes or no? At present, sum of the Ravi and Aditi is how many parts? 13 parts or not? But difference is how many parts? 7 parts or not? Means Ravi plus Aditi is 13 parts. Ravi and Aditi difference is 7 parts or not? Means sum of the parts are 13, difference of the parts are 7. 13 plus 7, 20. By 2 means 10 or not? Means Ravi is how many parts? 10 parts or not? Aditi is how many parts? 3 parts or not? 10 plus 3, 13. 10 minus 3, 7 or not? Means 4 years back, what was the ratio? 8:1. At present ratio, 10:3 or not? But we required find the ratio of their ages after 4 years. Again we required ratio after 4 years or not? 4 years back, how many parts? 8 parts. At present, 10 parts. How many parts are increased? 2 parts. 4 years back, second person, 1 part. At present, 3 parts. How many parts are increased? 2 parts or not? Means every 4 years, how many parts are increased? 2 parts or not? Again we are adding 2 parts after 4 years, means again we are adding 2 parts or not? 10 plus 2, 12. 3 plus 2, 5. What is the ratio? 12:5 or not? Next question number 52. If the volume of a right circular cone is 9856 meter cube and the area of the base is 616 meter square, then find the length of the canvas required for making the tent. What is the question here? If its width is how much? 44 meters. Find the length of the canvas required for which one? Making the tent. Required for the conical tent or not? Conical tent means we required curved surface area or total surface area? Curved surface area or not? Means only white color portion or not? Conical tent are required means we required only curved surface area or total surface area? Curved surface area. Means curved surface area of a cone, it is also equal to which one? Area of the cloth or not? Suppose curved surface area 40 meter square, then cloth area also how much value are required? 40 meter square or not? Then curved surface area of a cone, that is equal to area of a which one? Rectangular cloth or not? Tent means it is cloth or paper? Cloth means area of the cloth, it is also equal to which one? Area of the cone. What is the cone area? Curved surface area or total surface area? Curved surface. We are covered the only curved surface area part or total part? Only curved surface area part or not? Means curved surface area of a cone, it is also equal to area of the cloth or not? What is the area of the cloth? Length into breadth or only length? Length into breadth. Curved surface area of a cone means written pi r l. Okay, it is equal to L into B. don't cancel LL value. Both sides L are different or not. Left hand side L means slant height, right hand side L means length of the cloth or not. Okay, first, what the volume of a right circular cone is given? 9856. What the volume formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h by what the area of the base? Circle base, cone base, circular not. What the circle area? Pi r square. 1 by 3 pi r square h by pi r square not. That is equal to 9856 by how much value? 616 not. Pi r square cancel not. 616 directly 16 times. Directly 16 times, because 6 into 16 it will be 96 or not, closer to 16 times or not. Then r h equal to how much value? 48. Means height of the cylinder, height of the cone is how much? Height is how much? 48. And one more, again we require radius value or not. Okay, what is the cone base area? Pi r square. What is the pi r square value? 22 by 7 into r square. That is equal to how much value are given? 61600. Solving this one, we are get the r value is how much? 1400. R value 14. Means radius of a cone is how much? 14. Height of the cone 25. Means slant height are 50 or not. What is the 48 square? 2304 or not. What is the 14 square? 196. Both are adding 2500. It is third one square or not. Means 2500 which one square? 50 square or not. We know the slant height, we know the radius, and we know the width of the cloth. Obviously we are get the length of the cloth or not. Substitute the values. Left hand side pi. Pi means written 22 by 7 into r. What is the radius value? 14 into L value, slant height 50. That is equal to length of a cloth into what is the breadth value? What is the width of the cloth? 44 or not. Means into 44 or not. 7 how many times? 14. 2 times. 22 into 2, 44. Cancel or not. The length of the canvas is how many meters? 50 meters or not. Pi r L equal to L into B. Definitely we required radius and length value or not. Radius and slant height are required. How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns or not. Okay. Next question number 53. If the circumradius of an equilateral triangle is how much? 24 centimeters, then find the length of the median of equilateral triangle. What is the circumradius of a equilateral triangle? Radius value, it is equal to a by root 3 or not? A by root 3. And what is the question here? Find the length of the median of a which one? Equilateral triangle. Median of a equilateral triangle means we required which one? Height value or not? What is the height of the equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 2 into a or not? Yes or no? We know the r value, but we required h value or not? Okay. Then r equal to how much value are given? 24. That is equal to a by root 3 or not? Then a value are how much? 24 root 3 or not? Substitute the a value in second one. We are get the height value or not? Then root 3 by 2 into a. What is the a value? 24 root 3. 2 how many times? 12 times or not? Root 3 into root 3, 3. 12 3 is how much? 36 or not? Next question number 54. If I is the in center of a triangle ABC and angle A is how much? 64 degrees and angle B is how many degrees? 60 degrees. Then what is the measure of angle AIB or not? And here triangle ABC are given or not? A, B, C. But the A is how many degrees? 64 degrees or not? B is how many degrees? 60 degrees or not? 64 plus 60, 124. Obviously C will be 56 or not? Okay. I is the in center of triangle ABC or not? Means this is point I or not? These 3 points are joined, A, I, B, another one B, I, C, another one C, I, A or not? Okay. Two models we are using. What is the total B value? 60. Means this one 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees or not? What is the total A value? 64. Means this one is 32 degrees, this is also 32 degrees or not? What is the question here? What is the measure of angle AIB or not? Okay. Means we required angle AIB value or not? And already we know the A value 32, B value 30, 32 plus 30, 62. We required I value or not? 180 minus 62. What is the remaining value? 118 or not? Yes or no? Or angle AIB, it is also equal to 90 plus theta by 2 or not? Okay. What is the C value here? 56 or not? Then we return 90 plus C. What is the C angle? 56 or not? 56 by 2. 28 or not? 90 plus 28. 118 or not? Bisector concept, if it is theta, this one is 90 plus theta by 2 or not? What is the theta value here? 56. Theta by 2 means 28. 90 plus 28, it will be 118 or not? Next question number 55. A solution of salt water weighing 18 kgs which contains 20% or which one? Salt. After 2 hours, 1.4 liters of water was evaporated and 1.4 kgs of salt is added. Then the percentage of salt in the solution is, okay. First of all, initial weight is how many kgs? 18 kgs. In that salt is how much percent? 20%. What is the 20% of 18? 3.6 kgs or not? Next, remaining is water or not? Then water is how many liters? 14.4 or not? 14.4. After 2 hours, 1.4 liters of water was evaporated. Means out of 14.4, 1.4 are evaporated or not? What is the remaining water? 13 or not? Next, and 1.4 kgs of salt is added. We are adding 1.4 kgs of salt or not? 3.6 plus 1.4, 5 or not? What is the question here? Find the percentage of salt in the solution. What is the salt value? 5. What is the total solution? 18 or not? Then we return 5 by 18 into how much value? 100 or not? It is 500 by 18 or not? More than 20 times but less than 30 times or not? But more than 25 times or not? 2 how many times? 9. 2 how many times? 50 or not? It is 250 by how much? 9 or not? Means more than 25 times or not? But less than 30 times or not? What is the nearest value? 27.78. Next question number 56. Again skip the 56 question. Yesterday also mistake is given. Today also mistake are given. What is the total number of packages? 268. Data given 269 packets. Some mistake are given in question. Okay. Just skip the question. Question number 57. From a group of 120 people, it is observed that 15% of the people takes neither coffee nor tea, while 66 people take coffee and 21 people take both the tea and coffee. Then the number of people who will take tea or not? First, here two, one is coffee, another one are T or not? Total how many people are there? 120 people or not? Out of 120 people, 15% of the people neither take coffee or nor tea or not? What is the 15% of 120? 18 or not? What are the remaining members? 1 or 2 or not? That 1 or 2 are represents coffee, combination of coffee and tea, and only tea or not? Only coffee, coffee and tea, common, and only tea or not? And 66 people take coffee and 21 people take both the tea and coffee or not? 21 people both that take coffee and tea means combination is how much? 21. But total coffee value is how much? 66. Out of 66, 21 is completed means what is the remaining? 45 or not? Yes or no? Next, out of 120 already 18 is neither coffee nor tea or not? What are the remaining members? 1 or 2 or not? Out of 1 or 2, how many members are completed? 66. What are the remaining? 36 or not? Okay. What is the question here? Find the number of people who will take tea. Who will take tea means we require tea value or not? How many members? 57. Question number 58. A student multiplied a number with 3 by 5th instead of dividing. What is the percentage error or not? Suppose the original number we are consider A or not. It is divided by which one? 3 by 5. It is original solution or not? But he multiplied or not? He multiplied means we return A into which one? 3 by 5 or not? What is the original solution? 5a by 3 or not? What is the new solution? 3a by 5 or not? Yes or no? 5 by 3 and another one 3a by 5. Both are in fractions or not? Just convert it to integers. Converted to integers means take the LCM of 3 comma 5 or not? What is the LCM? 15. 3 how many times? 5 times. 5 5s are 25. Another one 5 how many times? 5 times. 5 3s are 5 how many times? 3 times. 3 3s are 9. What is the ratio? 25 is to 9. Means original solution are 25, new solution are 9 or not? How much value are reduced? 16. 16 upon which one? 25. Multiplied by 100, we are get the percentage or not? 25 how many times? 4 times or not? 25 for the 100, 16 for the how much? 64% or not? Next question number 59. An article is marked at 1200 and retailer purchased it at 35% discount. Later he labeled it by increasing the market price by 10% and sold the article at 20% discount. What is the approximate profit percentage of the shopkeeper in this transaction? Suppose, what is the original market value? 1200. In place of 1200 we are consider 100%. Means original market price is how much? 100% or not? A retailer purchased 35% discount or not? Means what is the retailer cost price? 65%. 65% is the cost price of which one? Retailer or not? What is the actual market price? 100%. In that how much percent discount? 35%. Means retailer cost price is how much? 65% or not? And later he labeled it by increasing the market price by how much? 10%. What is the market price? 100%. 10% increase means what is the new market price? 110% or not? In this one, how much percent or discount is offered? 20%. And sold the article at 20% discount. What is the 20% of 110? 22 or not? 110 minus 22. 88 or not? That 88% is the selling price of retailer or not? Yes or no? What is the cost price of retailer? 65. What is the selling price of retailer? 88. Profit or loss? Profit. How much value or profit? 23 upon which one? 65 into 100 and 100. Okay, what is the 10% of 65? 6.5. 30%, 19.5 means answer must be more than 30%. What is the 40% value? 10% 6.5, 20% 13, 40% 2600. Then answer must be in between 30 and 40. But how many options? 3 options. First, what is the 30% value? 19.5. Again we are taken 3% value. What is the 3% value? 1.95. 19 plus 1, 20. 50 plus 95, 145. It is 21.45. Then 33% value, 21.45. Then answer must be more than 33% or less than 33%. More than 33%. But nearby value or not? Which one is the nearest value? 35 or 38? 35. 32 not possible or not? 28 already not possible. Then possibility values are 38 and 35. Which one is the closer to 33? 35. Next question number 60. Circumference of a circle is equal to the which one? Perimeter of a square. Whose area is how much? 3025. Then find the area of a circular node. What is the circle area formula? Pi r square node. Then verify the 11 multiple node. First option is 11 multiple. Yes. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? No. Then answer first one node. Next is 62. X square minus root 7x plus 1 equal to how much? 0. Then find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 600. This one we written x square plus 1. It is equal to how much? Root 7 x hundred. This one again we written x plus 1 by x equal to how much value? Root 700. Okay. First of all, squaring on both sides, we are get the x square and 1 by x square value. Squaring on both sides means we are getting x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2. Plus 2 becomes minus 2. Root 7 square means 7. 7 minus 2, 5. Then x square plus 1 by x square equal to how much? 500. Again, but we required which one? X cube plus 1 by x cube, sorry, x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Again cubing on both sides or not? Cubing on both sides means x square plus 1 by x square whole power 3 or not? That is equal to how much? 5 cube or not? Okay. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube. What is the a cube value? X power 6. What is the b cube value? 1 by x power 6 plus 3ab into a plus b or not? 3 into a plus b, nothing but x square into 1 by x square. 3ab into a plus b or not? What is the a plus b value? X square plus 1 by x square. That is equal to how much value? 125. First of all, x square and x square cancel or not? And x square plus 1 by x square already we know 5 or not? 3 into 5, 15. It will become right hand side minus 15 or not? 125 minus 15, 110. Then answer x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 equal to how much value? 110 or not? We required power 6 means first we have to take the square, again cube or not? 2a plus 5b plus 7c equal to how much? 24. 4a square plus 25b square plus 49c square. It is equal to how much? 420. Then what is the value of 80a cube plus 125b cube plus 343c cube minus 210 abc or not? Okay. Already we know the formula or not? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc or not? That is equal to, we written half into a plus b plus C into A square plus B square plus C square into 3 times or not? 3 times of which one? A square plus B square minus A plus B plus C whole square. It is direct formula. Actually, normal we written A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C anode. It is 3 steps model. But here directly we are using the same formula. We are converted half into A plus B plus C into 3 times of A square plus B square plus C square minus A plus B plus C whole square anode. Same formula directly we written. Okay. Half into A plus B plus C. What is the A plus B plus C value? 24 anode. 2A plus 5B plus 7C. Nothing but A plus B plus C anode. Yes or no? What is the A plus B plus C value? 24. Then I written half into 24 anode. Into 3 times of which one? A square plus B square plus C square. What is the 2A square? 4A square anode. What is the 5B square? 25B square anode. What is the 7C square? 49C square anode. That is equal to how much value? 420. Means we written 3 into how much value? 420 anode. Minus A plus B plus C whole square anode. What is the A plus B plus C value? 2A plus 5B plus 7C value are how much? 24. Then we written 24 square anode. Okay. Half into 24 means 12. 3 into 420, 1260 anode. Minus, what is the 24 square? 576 anode. What is the difference between 1260 and 576? 1260 and 576 difference. How much? 684 anode. 12 into 684 anode. 12 into 600, 7200. 12 into 80, 960 anode. 12 into 4, 48 anode. Total it is how much? 820 each. Which option? Second option. R, verify the units position anode. 2 4 the how much? 8. How many options are ended with 8? Only one anode. Next question number 63. Selling price of 12 pence is same as cost price of 10 pence. Then the profit or loss percent on selling the 30 pence anode. Suppose if selling 1 pen we are getting 20% loss, means if you are selling 30 pence also we are getting same loss or different loss? Same loss or not? Yes or no? If you are selling 1 pen we are getting 20% loss, means if you are selling 30 pence also we are getting the same loss or different loss? Same loss. And here selling price of how many pence are given? 12 pence. It is equal to cost price of how many pence? 10 pence or not? This one we written CP by SP, that is equal to 6 by 5 or not? 6 by 5. CP is how many parts? 6 parts. SP is how many parts? 5 parts. Loss or gain? Loss. How many parts? 1 part. 1 upon which one? 6. 1 by 6 into 100. How much? 16 2 by 3% or not? Loss or gain? Loss. Next question number 64. The following table shows the temperature in degrees of Vijayawada, Bangalore from Friday to Tuesday. What is the question here? On Wednesday, the temperature in Vijayawada is average of all the previous 5 days. And the temperature in Bangalore is 1 degree less than the average temperature on Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. What is the difference between the temperatures of both the cities on Wednesday? First, Vijayawada Wednesday value is average of all the previous 5 days. Previous 5 days, what is the sum value? 33 plus 27, 60. 29 plus 31, 60. 60 plus 60, 120 plus 25, 145. 145 is the sum. Average means divide by 5. We are getting how much? 29 degrees. Okay. Another one, Bangalore value is 1 degree less than the Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. What is the Saturday value Bangalore? 21. Sunday 27. Monday 22. Tuesday 24. 27 plus 22. 49 plus 21. 70 plus 24. 94. 94 is the sum value. But average means divide by 4. What is the half of the 94? 47. Half of the 47? 23.5. But compared to 23.5, how many degrees are less? 1 degree is less. Means subtracting 1 or adding 1? Subtracting 1. What is the remaining value? 22.5. Okay. Wednesday, Vijayawada is how much? 29. Wednesday, Bangalore is how much? 22.5. But we require difference between these two values. What is the difference? 6.5. Difference between 29 and 22.5. How much? 6.5. Next question number 65. An article cost is how many rupees? 140. It is sold at 20% profit by giving 62/3% discount on the market price. Then the article is marked by what percent above the cost price or selling price? Cost price. Okay. 20% profit means what is the fraction? 1/5 or not? Fraction 1/5. But selling price 6/5 of cost price or not? Yes or no? 20% profit means we return 120% of cost price or not? Means 6/5 of cost price or not? Next, what is the discount percentage? 62/3%. 62/3% means what is the fraction? 1/15 or not? Means out of 15 parts, how many parts are discount? 1 part. Means selling price is 14 parts or not? 14/15 of which one? Market price or selling price? Market price or not? Discount is always given on market price or selling price? Market price. Out of 15 parts, how many parts are discount? 1 part. Then remaining 14 parts are selling price or not? 14/15 of market price equal to selling price. 6/5 of cost price equal to selling price. Means these two are equal or not? 5 how many times? 3 times or not? Okay. Then we return market price by cost price equal to 2 how many times? 6. 3 times. 2 how many times? 7 times or not? Then market price by cost price equal to 9/7 or not? CP how many parts? 7 parts. Market price 9 parts. What is the question here? Marked by what percent above the cost price? How many parts are more? 2 parts. 2 upon 7 into 100 or not? Already we know the 1/7 value or not? 1/7 means 14.28. 2/7 means 28.56 or not? Which option? Fourth option or not? Before the discount 15 parts, after the discount 14 parts or not? Next question number 66. A person takes 1 lakh loan from a finance company on a condition that the rate of interest is doubled for every 2 years on compound interest or simple interest? Compound interest compounded annually. If the rate of interest for the first year is how much? 5% per annum. Then the amount should be paid after 5 years or not? A condition the rate of interest is doubled for every 2 years. Only rate of interest are double or interest are double? Rate of interest. But the first year rate of person? 5%. Means first year rate of percent are 5%. Means second year also rate of person 5%. But third year 10%. Fourth year also 10%. But fifth year 20% or not? Total how many years we need? 5 years or not? Every 2 years it will be double or triple? Double. Means first year 5%. Second year also 5%. But third year onwards 10%. Fourth year also 10%. But fifth year 10% double. 20% or not? Okay. What is the principal value are given? 1 lakh or not? Compound interest means successive increase or decreased? Increased. successive increased. In first year how much percent are increased? 5%. Then we return 105 by 100 and yes or no? Second year also how much percent are increased? 5%. Then we return 105 by 100 and but third year how much percent are increased? 10%. Then what is the third year value? 110 by 100 and fourth year also how much percent are increased? 10%. Then we return fourth year 110 by 100 and fifth year how much percent are increased? 20%. Double means 20% and then fifth year how much value? 120 by 100 and 1 lakh is the initial value and after 1 year 105 by 105% of 1 lakh. After 2 years 105% of 105% of 1 lakh. After 3 years 110% of 105% of 105% of 1 lakh. But in fourth year 110% of 110% of 105% of 105% of 1 lakh. In fifth year 120% of 110% of 105% of 105% of 1 lakh. It is amount after how many years? 5 years or not? Okay. 110 11 multiple or not? Yes or no? First option is 11 multiple. No. Second option? Yes. Third option? No. Fourth option? 1 plus 5 6. 7 plus 6 12 and 6 difference. No. Then answer only second option or not? Only second option 1,60,000 1,60,083. Just verify the 11 multiple or not. Next question number 67. What is the value of 625 divided by 0.12 into 0.39 into 0.6 so on denominator? 625 it is 25 multiple. Any cancellations in denominator 25 multiples? No. An answer must be 25 multiple or not? How many options? Only one. That is answer. Any cancellation in denominator 25 multiples? No or not? 625 written 25 into 25 or not? Okay. Numerator value definitely 25 multiple or not? Any cancellation in denominator 25? No. Obviously answer is 25 multiple or not? Next question number 68. ABC alone can finish a work in how many hours? 30 hours, 60 hours and 36 hours. If A and C leaves 4 days before the work is completed, then the number of days be done the work or not? Starting to ending which one are working? B working or not? A and C are leaves 4 days before the which one? Work is completed. Then the number of days be done the work. What is the meaning here? Starting to ending which one are working? B is working. Compared to B, A how many days are less working? 4 days. Compared to B, C how many days are less working? 4 days or not? Suppose B is working on it for T days, A is working on it for T minus 4. Then C is working on it for T minus 4 or not? Simply we are saying T minus 4 days work of A, T days work of B, T minus 4 days work of C. All these are adding, we are get the total work or not? First, take the LCM of 30, 60, 36. 180 means total work is how much? 180 or not? 30 how many times? 6 times. A efficiency 6 parts. What is the A time? T minus 4 or T plus 4? T minus 4. Next, 60 how many times? 3 times. B efficiency 3 parts, but B worked on it for T days or not? Next, 36 how many times? 5 times. C efficiency 5 parts, but C worked on it for T minus 4 or not? 6 T minus 4 days work of A, T days work of B, T minus 4 days work of C. All these are adding, we are get the total work or not? Okay. 6T, 3T, 5T. Total 14T or not? Next, 6 for the how much? 24. 5 for the 20. 24 and 20, 44. Negative becomes positive. 180 plus 44, 224 or not? 14 directly 16 times or not? T equal to how much value? 16. Question number 69. A train running at a speed of 42 km per hour crosses a train of 2/3 of its length in opposite direction at a speed of how much? 30 km per hour in 40 seconds and crosses a bridge in how many seconds? 60 seconds. What is the question here? Find the length of the bridge. First of all, train passes a which one? Another train. But which direction? Opposite direction. What is the first train speed? 42. What is the second train speed? 30. Relative speed? Sum of these speeds are not. Opposite direction means relative speed. Sum of these speeds. What is the sum of these speeds? 72 kilometer per hour. Converted to meter per second are not. It is speed value or time value? Speed value. Into time is given how many seconds? 30 seconds. Into 30 speed 40 seconds into 40. Speed into time we are get the distance value or not. When a train passes another train means total distance are sum of the two train lengths or not. Okay. One train length we are consider how many parts? 3 parts. Another train length 2 parts or not. Then sum of the two train lengths 5 parts or not. Yes or no? First train length is how many parts? 3 parts. Length of the first train is how many parts? 3 parts. Length of the second train will be 2 parts or not? Okay. What is the sum of the two train lengths? 5 parts. Both side 5 get cancelled or not? 18 almost 4 times or not? 4 into 40 160. 1 part are 160. Length of the first train is how much? 480 or not? Okay. What is the question here? And it crosses a bridge in how many seconds? 60 seconds. Means first train are pass or second train are pass? First train. First train passes a bridge means total distance are sum of the length of the first train and bridge length. What is the length of the first train? 480 plus bridge length BL. It is equal to speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. What is the speed of the first train? 42 converted to meter per second into 5 by 18 into how many seconds are passed? 60 seconds or not? Okay. 6 how many times 18? 3 times. 6 how many times 42? 7 times. 3 again 60. 20 times or not? 20 into 5? 100 into 7? 700. Out of 700, 480 are subtracting. Remaining value bridge length or not? What the bridge length? 220 meters or not? Question number 70. At the time of children born in Raghava family, the average age of Raghava, his wife and 2 daughters is how much? 17.5. Nothing but before the children born, how many persons? 4 persons are not. What is the 4 persons average? 17.5. What is the 4 persons sum? 4 into 17.5 or not? 4 into 17.5. 70. That 70 is the sum of how many persons? 4 persons are not. But your question is, what is their mean age after 5 years? Means at the time of child born, the sum of the 4 persons is how much? 70. But we required average of 5 persons after how many years? 5 years or not? Means every person how many years are increased? 5 years or not? Total how many persons? 5 persons. 5 persons how much sum are increased? 25. 70 plus 25. 95 or not? 95 is the how many persons sum? 5 persons. Average means divide by 5. We are getting 19 or not? Next question number 71. The average of A numbers is how much? B. If 16 and 20 is added to any 2 numbers, 16 and 20 is added to any 2 numbers, the average increased by how much? 4. What is the question here? Find the value of A cube minus A square plus A or not? Here A means number of observations or not? Yes or no? Okay. How much sum are increased? How much sum are increased? Original sum value. We are adding 16 and 20 or not? How much sum are increased? 36 or not? Sum is increased by how much? 36. But average increased by 4 or not? 36 by 4 or not? What is the increased sum? 36. What is the increased average? 4. Increased sum by increased average, we are get the number of students or not? 36 by 4. 9. That 9 equal to number of students or not? But here number of students means A or not? A equal to how much value? 9 or not? We are not break the rule. Sum equal to average multiplied by number of observations or not? What is the number of observations concept? Sum by average or not? Sum is increased, average also increased or not? How much sum are increased? 36. How much average are increased? 4. Then we return 36 by 4. How much? 9 or not? Okay. What is the question here? A cube minus a square plus a or not? What is the a cube? 9 cube. What is the a square? 81 plus 9 or not? Then we return 729 minus 72 or not? How much? 657. If anyone confusion, I give the clarity. Originally how many numbers? A numbers. Average B. What is the sum? AB or not? Okay. We are adding one is 16, another one are 20. How much value are adding? 36. Original sum AB increased 36 means total sum is AB plus 36 or not? What is the key point here? Is added to any two numbers or not? Means the two numbers already included A value or not? Means there is no change in total values or not? In A numbers, one of the number is increased by how much? 16. Another number is increased by 20 or not? Means there is no change in total numbers or not? But average is increased by how much? 4. How many numbers are there? A. But average will be B plus 4 or B? B plus 4. AB means original sum. AB plus 36 means new sum. The same new sum, it is equal to which one? A into B plus 4 or not? Solving this one, we are get the A value or not? Both sides AB cancel or not? AB plus 36, that is equal to AB plus how much? 4A or not? AB cancel, 4A equal to 36, then A value are 9 or not? Next question number 72. The below pie chart shows the percentage wise distribution marks of a student in 6 subjects. Total marks scored by him is how much? 450. And what is the question here? What is the ratio of the total marks secured in groups to the total marks secured in language? Okay. Means we required group marks and language or not? First we are take the language data. Language means Telugu, English and Hindi. Telugu is how much percent? 12%. English 20. 12 plus 20, 32. Hindi 5. Total 37. Means language is how much percent? 37%. Language are 37% means other than the language 63% or not? What is the ratio? 63 is to 37 or not? Next to 73. 24524 5245 is divisible by which one or not? What is the end value? 5. How many options are end with 5? 2 options or not? It must be divisible by certain number means that number must be ends with 5. How many options are ends with 5? 2 options or not? Okay. And one more. 24524 5245. What is the sum of the digits? What is the sum of the digits? 33. 33 means it is 3 multiple or not? 25 is 3 multiple? No. 15 is 3 multiple? Yes. Okay. Next. Question number 74. If the perimeter of a square is how much? 4 into 5x minus 8. What is the question here? Find its area. What is the perimeter of a square formula? 4a. That is equal to how much? 4 into 5x minus 8 ಅನ್ನೋದು. Both sides 4 cancel ಅನ್ನೋದು. A equal to how much? 5x minus 8 ಅನ್ನೋದು. But we required which one? Area. What is the area of a square? A square ಅನ್ನೋದು. Means left hand side square means right hand side also square. Then we required 5x minus 8 whole square ಅನ್ನೋದು. It is a minus b whole square. What is the a square? 25x square. What is the b square? 64. What is the 2ab? Minus 80x plus 64. Which option? First option or 2 into 5 into 8. Next 75. Find the square of the length of the longest pole that can be inserted in a room of dimension 17, 15 and 8. We required largest possible length in a room or not. Means it will be diagonal or radius. Diagonal. What is the diagonal formula? D square, it is equal to D square equal to L square plus B square plus H square, because it is 3-dimensional or 2-dimensional? 3-dimensional. Clearly mention, find the square of the length of the longest polar node. Means we required D square or D? D square. What is the L square? 289. What is the B square? 225. What is the H square? 64 node. 225 plus 64. 289 node. 289 plus 289. 578 node.